What's going on YouTube? 6'5" Rider here. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. It's 8 a.m. and we are in for a beautiful ride today. And I'm just waiting for a couple of guys here. And today we're actually riding with the Slide and Never Hiding crew out of South Florida. Some of the best rides in South Florida, to be honest. Or we do it the last Sunday of every month. And, you know, they pick a really nice ride with a nice route. And a bunch of people show up and we just have a good time. Last time it was about 50 bikes or so. So yeah, that should be a really fun ride for us today. So I'm basically just gonna do a quick video documenting the ride and, you know, just a bunch of motorcycle enthusiasts that enjoy motorcycles and want to go out and have fun. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. We'll pick it right back up once we're back on the bike. Y'all, so we're getting on the Turnpike. The guy just showed up. We're meeting a few other people a little bit south, and we'll get this day going. Don't worry about it. These are just Florida speeds, you know. It's raining a little bit. I don't know if you can see in the mirror right there. Some mean looking clouds back there, but you know, it's kind of clearish where we're going, so hopefully we don't get dumped on.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing? How you doing, man? Hey, how are you? Good to see you again. Oh, snap. Thank you. Got some new gloves. This is my friends, Louis, Dana, John.
Hi, I'm Dana.
Oh, this is good. This is like heavy leather, huh?
It's heavy.
It feels good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's up, John? You got these new riding pants?
Yeah.
Nice. How'd they fit?
Comfy, they're stretchy too.
They are?
Yeah, they're good.
And they got like
They got pads in them and everything.
oh snap, okay.
Gift pads too.
Damn. That's cool.
We'll see.
Yeah. Here's the crew, and we're on the way to Cafe 27. It's a little bit west of Fort Lauderdale, and it's a popular meetup spot for bikers. So that should be a good time. The road to 75 North, aka Alligator Alley. And you know why they call it Alligator Alley? It's literally because every stop off there's like a little canals, and you'll see a bunch of alligators. Florida things, yo. This is Highway 27. As you can see, it's a drag racer's dream. That's where a lot of bikers kind of come and race. made it safely. Beautiful. There's got to be like at least 40 bikes right now from what I'm counting.
Good?
Yeah, just go back straight. Straight. Keep going. Perfect. Here it is, boys. Slide and never hide and ride.
The fucking ABS on this thing is unfucking believable.
Really? Watch out.
Stop. I had to slow down to make that turn right here.
Oh.
It caught me off guard. I was gonna keep going.
Oh,
Fucking hit those brakes, man. It didn't even skid nothing. It just.
that's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, that was a fast ride. That was really fast. That was a quick ride. That's the man that made it happen, yo.
That's that 4.6 rider, boy.
My man. My man. What's up, bro?
We're gonna try to ride as staggered as possible. We're gonna ride speed limit. Don't be going crazy. You know, you want to do craziness, get out of the form, go do your thing. We're gonna stay tight. Give everybody the space. A lot of newer people, a lot of people from thank you guys.
Cafe 27, that was a lot of bikes, dude. I don't even know how many, but it had to be more than last time. Last time it was around 54 bikes, I believe, was the final number. But that looked like more than 54 bikes to me. Maybe I'll go back in the video and kind of count them to confirm. But yeah, look at it. It's bikes as far as the eye can see, bro. Crazy. But yeah, this looks like it's gonna be a good time, I hope, man. Yeah, I can see it from here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's way more than 50 bikes. I can tell you that for sure, dude. Let me see if I can get a better video here.
Perfect.
Here's the first gas stop. A lot of bikes, bro. Honestly, it's super organized. There was a couple of times where I have only myself to blame, where I kind of got out of the formation. Yeah, we'll go ahead and top off real quick over here. It's crazy the amount of bikes that are here. Really crazy, dude. Wow. Filled up the entire gas station. That dude freaking taking forever. Alright. Wow, $5.
But we have the 120. It's a fraud. It's a fraud. Yeah. Perfect.
Right here, this is everybody. Bikes, dude. A city in Florida called Belle, and I guess there's a brewery that everybody's heading to. So yeah, man, let's just take it easy and enjoy this ride and this beautiful scenery right here. Good stuff. Again, it's the Sliding Never Hiding ride out of South Florida. It takes place at the last Sunday of every month. And meetup is at Cafe 27 on Sundays with Kickstand Up at 10 a.m. All bikes are welcome. The majority here are Harleys, but all bikes are welcome. I've seen adventure bikes, I've seen sport bikes. So come out if you're in the area, come join the ride. You guys, I can tell you one thing for sure. These Zero 3D frame mounted highway pegs are amazing. They're just so comfortable. You see that? Like, I don't have to be over here at the crash bar, but I can just be extended out here. So comfortable. And I'm really glad I added it to my bike. Got to the restaurant. Nice view, good weather. Alright, we're here at the Belle Brewing Company. Got a bunch of bikes. A lot of good looking bikes over here. That purple frame. Perfect. Hogwife's bike right there. This is probably my favorite build here. This is beautiful. Love the color combination. Ooh. It's nothing but bikes, bikes, bikes. Got the Fast Johnny over there. Fucking good times. Alright, so unfortunately the GoPro died and I couldn't finish the vlog, but we made it. We're almost home, about 5 minutes away from the house. Had to stop at the gas station. But the ride was amazing. Did about 265 miles, something like that. We had a little over 60 bikes, I believe. So if interested and you're in South Florida, last Sunday of every month, come join us, Cafe 27, Kickstands Up at 10 a.m. Big shout out to Slide and Never Hiding, Tony. Appreciate you for the invite, brother. And let's keep this going. Shout out to the rest of the crew. And yeah, this was a great freaking time. If you stayed this long in the vlog, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all on the next one. Peace.